it's Jimbo, and today we're looking at the Earthwash laundry detergent sheets and the Ecos plant-powered laundry detergent sheets, kind of this or that. Both these are great. You get 32 in a pack of this. These could be broken down into thirds. And on the Ecos, I also ripped them down as well. However, I do notice with the Ecos one, if you don't wash it in warm water and you use a whole sheet, you will have a little bit of the sheet left over in the laundry. That's why I really ripped those down. Where I don't have that problem with the Earthwash ones, I could throw a whole sheet in there and it completely dissolves. Not sure why the difference is on that, but either way, I very, very rarely use a whole sheet. I wash my clothes on cold water, not warm water, so you may not have that problem with that with warm water. But because I use cold water, I tend to always use no more than half a sheet. But either one of these are great if you're looking for an eco-friendly alternative to traditional laundry detergents or pods, or you're trying to use less plastic. I would definitely highly recommend either one of these.